that's an effect of hard water. So what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Kazi. If you have never been to my channel before, then welcome, and if you have, then welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair care reset video for you guys. So my hair has been suffering daily. For a second I really couldn't figure out what exactly was going on with my hair until I figured out what was going on with my hair. So my hair started to change color, right? So I was like, but why is my hair turning brown? And then I tried researching it, and then they said that that's an effect of hard water. So today is gonna be my New Year reset hair video, and one of the home remedies they recommended was to use some vinegar in some water and do a rinse. So I am about to wash my hair, do the rinse, condition. I'm not too sure if I should condition before or after. Y'all, I don't even know. The products I plan to use today. So I plan to use a clarifying shampoo today, which would be my Gentle Herbal Cleanser by Bask and Bloom. I'm not sure if my code is still active, but if it is, it would be linked in the description box below so y'all can get some money off. These products, I'm not going to lie to y'all, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know I really like these. And then for my deep condition, I plan to go in with, y'all, I can't decide between this one and Camille Rose right now. I'm still like working through that in my head. Yeah, so I also plan to go in with this Brahmi Root hair mask by Bask and Bloom as well for my deep condition. I'm gonna be using my Lush Curl 3-in-1 styler. Y'all, this product is only 8.5 fluid ounce, which I would say is a lot, but this product is very highly concentrated, and if you add water you could adjust the thickness of the product to your liking. That's one thing I really like about this. I did try this product, like I have this product for a good year and a half now, if I'm being honest. I do have a discount code for them if you want to try it as well. And then I'll use our oil to seal the moisture in, which would probably be my Cara's Daughter oil blend. But yeah, I really decided to use this product because this is one of the products that I usually use when I feel like I really need moisture. Like I really need moisture. That's like my go-to product. I've also had this product for over a year just because of how much I like it. Like, I got that product in PR, and I don't know if you know, like, sometimes when you get products in PR and you really like it, you honestly don't wanna, like, you know, use it out. Like, you honestly try like chinks on it just because you don't want it to like completely finish. I'm just gonna like pour. One of the reasons why I decided to use this is because my scalp right now is so itchy and I really need like a reset for my scalp, and this product does really well as that. And I also want to strip my hair of all the product that is in it so that the apple cider could work as well as my deep conditioner. Look, if you're going into 2024 and you're not using a clarifying shampoo, friend, what is wrong with you? Like, you need to be getting rid of all the products on the surface so that your deep conditioner could work. I don't want to hear you all out here talking about how deep conditioner don't work for me. No, none of that, okay? Always use a clarifying shampoo at least once for the month, once every 4 to 5 weeks, to get rid of any buildup on your scalp or that may be causing your hair to feel limp. So yeah, let's get into this video.
To discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, and no coffee.
I did not show me creating the mixture of the vinegar and water because I actually did the wrong thing. Yogurt container was half with water. I threw like 2 covers of the vinegar in the water when I was really supposed to do a half and half mixture with the water and vinegar. So that was the first thing I did wrong. The next thing I did wrong was shampoo my hair after adding the vinegar, and then the third thing I did was not leave it in for 15 minutes. Even though I did the wrong wrong thing, y'all. I really did notice a difference in my hair, because if you could look at my hair, you would be able to tell that after I shampooed it the second time, I actually had a lot more definition, well, curl definition than previously before I washed my hair with the product build-up and stuff. So I think this could potentially be something that would work. However, I would definitely be sure to give you like a follow-up video on if this method actually works or not.
If I do anything you want me to do, 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝓸𝓚, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, so don't give away my love.
My hair is definitely so soft right now, like yo, and it has a little oil, like, you know, situation, and it has a lot of hole. So this is a all-in-one styler, and it's supposed to give you like that leave-in style / hole situation. And one of the reasons I like this product is just because of the fact that it does give me hole. As you could see, I did not use gel in my hair. When I use this, I did not need oil, but because it's so dry hair, I did need to seal it with oil. They do have an oil as well. I just use my oil I have home, which you could use too. Hey guys, so I just realized that I did not make an outro clip, so this is just me closing out the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have made it this far in the video, then you know what to do. Go ahead and drop 3 blue butterfly emojis down in the comment section below, because you'll know that's our favorite emoji over here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Holding it closer than we've ever been.